Is this clear? Psychological contract is clear?
Yes,
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 ma'am.
Next is what is being, what are the promises which are to be done by the employees, and what organization is promising to the employees. That is over there, means that is the content of the psychological contract on the basis of the employees and on the basis of the organization. Now first we will do for the employees part. Now what employees promises to do? He or she will work hard, uphold the company's reputation, बाहर जाके wrong statements नहीं देंगे, reputation को they are not going to harm the reputation of the organization, show loyalty to the organization, work extra hours when required, develop new skills and update the old ones, be flexible, for example, by taking on a college work, colleagues work, other extra work, fine. Then flexibility in terms of extra working hours, off day working, that all would come into the flexible things. Be courteous to the clients and the colleagues. Come up with the new ideas. So that is what is being expected and what employee promises to perform for the organization. Now, in return, what organization performs and organization promises? Pay compensatory with the performance. Then opportunity for training and development. Free training will be provided by the organization for the new technologies, for the new advancements. Then development structure should be there. New development structures will be given over there. Then opportunities for promotion. Then recognition of the innovation of the new ideas. Feedback on performance. Interesting task and attractive benefit packages. Then respectful treatment, reasonable job security. Fine. So these things would come into the organization promises. Next is employment versus psychological contract. Now employment contract कौन सा होता है? It is a contract when the employee joins the organization as an employee, as a new team. He enters into an organization, so a contract is being signed that you will be working for the organization for 2 years, 3 years, or the terms of
just like offer letter.
Yes. नहीं. Employment contract is a legal binding. Offer letter तो हो गया, that is okay. Let me explain you. Offer letter is something that is an appointment letter is given to you that okay, yes, you have been selected for such and such position and you are going to join the organization. Okay. So that is the offer letter. You are being appointed and you are being informed for the same that yes, you join the organization on such and such day. After that, employment contract, it is optional. Optional means कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इसको लेता है, कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इसको नहीं लेता. ठीक है. एम्प्लॉयमेंट कॉन्ट्रैक्ट क्या होगा? उसमें डूज एंड डोंट्स होंगे. सबसे बड़ी बात उसमें लीगल बाइंडिंग होगी. ओके, आप एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को, आप हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को 1 साल तक छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते, 2 साल तक छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते, 3 साल तक छोड़ के नहीं जा सकते. So that will be an employment contract, which will be a written contract. It will be a legal binding. Legally, it will be very true. Terms and conditions will be mentioned over there, and even the punishments will also be mentioned over there. If you are going to leave the organization early, before 1 year is being completed, so these will be the compensations which will be paid by an employee to the organization. So that will be a legal document which will be signed by both the parties. समझ आ गया? तो ये होता है employment contract. Offer letter is not an employment contract. Offer letter is just to give you an appointment and you are being informed that okay, you are being selected for this position on this salary. You will be joining this department on this date. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, what is a psychological contract? First and foremost, it is not written. ये implicit होता है. ठीक है. Explicit उसको हम explain करके written में दे रहे हैं. Implicit means ये एक चीज जो म्यूचुअली होती है. फाइन, इट इज नॉट रिटन बट इट इज बीइंग एक्सपेक्टेड. It is an expectation. Fine. It is a result which is to be achieved by both the parties, by the employee also and by the organization also. No legal binding is there. No legal status is required over there. Tell us most thing about what people actually do at work. Exerts a large influence on the behavior, feelings, and the attitudes. So this is a feeling, this is a behavior of an organization. Now, you people are in a class, fine. So it is being expected from you people that you people should behave respectfully in the class, fine. So that is my expectation from my class. Is that thing clear? And your expectation is that ma'am should understand, ma'am should listen to our problem, fine. Ma'am should give the best for the teaching or something like that. So that is a mutual expectation between the two parties. अब ये कहीं पे written नहीं है, ये कहीं पे भी नहीं written है कि teacher आपको 100% पढ़ाएगा. Is that written anywhere? No, it is not. But it is being expected. You are paying to college. Your expectation is that teacher should teach you. Right? So that is a psychological contract. समझ आ गया? Is this thing clear? What is an employment contract and the psychological contract?
Yes.
Okay. So next is old deals. If you are loyal, पहले क्या होता था? Fine. And now what are the new deals? What are the transactions which are which has happened? What new development which have been happened? If you are loyal, working hard, do as you being told, you will be provided with a secure job, steady pay increase, financial security, and you will be the part of a dull but safe organization. ठीक है? तो ये पुराने दिनों में था. Now what is new? What is happening?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have a doubt. A dull but safe organization means?
Government sectors.
Okay, okay. मतलब your job will be safe whether you work properly or not, right?
Yes. Government
Okay.
sectors, what is happening in the government sector? They don't provide you with the training. They don't provide you with the development programs.
But
But still,
safety, the security.
yes.
Okay, would
Earlier, what was
permanent.
happening in our parents' time, in our grandparents' time?
Yes.
People go to the job. People don't go to the organization. They sit on one chair, keep on drinking the tea and snacks, and afterwards they come back.
Yes, ma'am.
But now the things have changed. Why? Because first and the foremost, technology is there. A check is there. Fine. Privatization has happened. Many of the private organizations are introduced. Fine. So because of this, there is a rational change. A rational to the transactional. Earlier it was rational, but now it is transactional changes. A flexible, now what is new deals? A flexible, mutually beneficiary partnership. Now, if you develop the competencies we need, अगर आपके पास वो skills हैं जो organization को चाहिए, पहला point. दूसरा, apply them in the ways that help to succeed. अब आप अपने skills को trickfully use कर पा रहे हो organization की success के लिए. Second point. Third, behave consistently with the new values. अब आप न्यू एनवायरनमेंट को, न्यू वैल्यूज को, न्यू ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को अकॉर्डिंगली अगर अडॉप्ट कर लोगे, देन अगर ये सारा कुछ आप कर लोगे तो क्या होगा? वी विल प्रोवाइड, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन क्या प्रोवाइड करेगा? अ चैलेंजिंग वर्क एनवायरनमेंट, डेवलपमेंट सपोर्ट, एम्प्लॉयमेबिलिटी, रिवॉर्ड फॉर योर कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. अगर आप ये सारा कुछ करके दोगे तो हम ये करेंगे. समझ आया? इज दिस थिंग क्लियर? गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या था? आप, हाँ जी, आप हमारे लॉयल हो, आप हमारे यहाँ पे काम कर रहे हो, हम आपको सैलरी दे रहे हैं, टाइम पे डीए मिल जाएगा, टाइम पे इंसेंटिव्स मिल जाएंगे, इंक्रीज होता जाएगा, प्रमोशंस लेते जाओ, इंक्रीज होता जाएगा. प्रमोशन नहीं भी लोगे तो भी सैलरी इंक्रीज होती जाएगी. बट इन द न्यू सिस्टम, if you will provide with all these things, then we will provide you with this, and you will be the part of a dynamic organization. Revitalized organization. Now, what is dynamic? What is revitalized? Keep on changing very fast. The things are happening. New technology is coming. New system is coming. New strategies are coming. Competition is there. Competitor is there. So because of this, we have to change. We have to perform. उसमें क्या था? We will perform, or we may perform, or we may not perform, but the things are ready. But in the transactional system, you have to perform, then only the things are there for you. Otherwise, there is no place for you. Is this thing clear? What is the new psychological contract and what was the rational psychological contract?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Now, the real deal. ये negative contract हो गया. If you stay, do your job plus someone else also voluntarily for the extra task, ये purely private हो गया. This is purely and purely private organization, जो profit earning organization है, जो सिर्फ पैसा और पैसा ही देखती है. We will provide a job if we can find. जहाँ पे ये वो organizations हैं जहाँ पे hiring और firing बहुत fast होती है. टर्नओवर बहुत ज्यादा. नहीं परफॉर्म कर रहा, निकाल दो. It doesn't matter that a person was working for your organization since 10 years, since 12 years, but okay, if he is not able to perform today, fire him out. So we will provide a job if we can. Gestures that we care. The same pay. Incentives नहीं दिए जाएंगे, right? It will remain stagnant. The pay is stagnant. This will be paid to you. Okay. No incentives are demanded. No rewards will be provided. And you will be a part of an untrustworthy organization with the change fatigues. So we cannot trust upon this organization. आपको क्या पता आज आप गए हो, आपको फायर कर दिया जाए, आपको निकाल दिया जाए, आपको टर्मिनेशन नोटिस दे दिया जाए. So you never know. So that is a typical negative psychological contract. तो वहाँ पे employees को contract बनेगा ही नहीं. It won't be in a contract. Psychological contract नहीं है. So that is the negative. So these are the types of the psychological contract: transactional and rational, which we have already done. Kindly read this.
Done, ma'am.
Next are the strengths of the psychological contract. What are the strengths? Focus on the employment relationship. Implicit nature of the ongoing exchange. So that will be expressed part. Purpose, a more detailed understanding of the employee-employer exchange. So psychological contract will be a positive contract only and only when the employer and the employer relationship and the exchange of ideas is at a higher level. Means they have a belief upon each other. They have a trust upon each other. So trustworthy environment is required in a good psychological contract. How employment relationship can go wrong due to the breach. Now, if one of the another party out of the psychological contract is not true, is not loyal, you cannot trust the organization, then that will be a breach one, and that won't be a good relationship, right? So that is not a strength of a psychological contract. Managing the psychological contract, organizations, a realistic job review, employee attitude survey, team meeting and focus group, two-way communication is required, performance appraisal. So timely performance appraisal is to be done. Performance management practices. A good performance management practices are to be adopted, like timely training, development, then provided up with the good policies, good practices, right? Good, guest lecture should be there, seminar should be held over there, good development program, faculty development program. So all those things would come into your performance management practices. Then equal opportunities. Every employee should be provided with the definite and the equal opportunities so that they may be able to perform accordingly. And the job security. Yes. I must know that yes, my job is secure. I'm secure in this organization. I will get my monthly salary every time. So that is the most important part. During this time, during this COVID situation, everyone is insecure. Right? Basically, especially for the private organization, people are insecure. Right? You never know when the lockdown will be there. You never know when the situation is going to get worse. So job security is the most important security which a working person should or must have. Right? Next is, now what we have done, that was on the part of the organization. Now employee, clarify ambiguities. If some problems are there, then monitoring and vigilance. You must be very much vigilant about the things, how the things are happening, how I'm performing. The thing should be very much accurate. There should be a monitoring about each and everything. Then anticipate the reactions to breach. If some breach is there, how the reactions are going to come, how the things are going to be handled out. Then being realistic about what they and how the organization can deliver. Self-awareness of the desired contributions and the rewards. So I must be very much aware of about my contribution, what my desired contributions are. उसके लिए मुझे क्या reward मिल सकता है, right? So I must be aware of all those things so that I can claim those things. अगर मैंने ये achieve किया तो I am liable for these benefits and I can claim these benefits from the organization. Now, when the psychological contract go wrong, when there is a breach, fulfillment of the promises have not happened. So, when one perceives another as failing to fulfill the promises, then promise increased in the pay were not forthcoming. Right? So pay promise was there, increase in the pay was there, but it has not happened. Promotion was being decided, but it has not happened. It has not happened as it has been expected on the time frame. Then type of work, important features of the work were misrepresented to the employees. The employees, they were not informed that yes, these are your job duties and you need to perform these things. So it was misrepresented upon there. Then training, employees doesn't perceive the promised training. So, receives, employee doesn't receive the promised training. So whenever the employee has joined the organization and training is to be provided to the organization before starting that job, but it has not been timely provided. It has not been provided accurately, fine, or the training was not up to the mark. So all those things would come into the training part. And the feedback. Performance review inadequate or the absent compared to what was promised. So what was promised, that has not been given, and if the feedback is provided, that has not been evaluated properly. So all those things are known as the breach. When the psychological contract go wrong, at that time an employee will not be true to the organization, or organization won't be true to the employee. Cause of the breach in the psychological contract: unsatisfactory human resource practices, lack of support of the management, additional demand of the employees, previous history of the breach. So one is politics is there, right? जो एक्चुअल में वर्क हो रहा है उसके बारे में इन्फॉर्म ही नहीं किया जा रहा मैनेजमेंट को, या मैनेजमेंट सपोर्ट नहीं कर रही अपने एम्प्लॉयज को, या एम्प्लॉयज कुछ एक्स्ट्रा डिमांड कर रहे हैं ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से, सो ऑल दोस थिंग्स वुड कम इनटू द ब्रीच ऑफ द contract, psychological contract. Now what happens when the psychological contract go wrong? Negative emotions are there, anger, betray, sadness, so people are not happy, relationship suffers, loss of trust and disrespect and respect, a reduced commitment, people are not committed, people are not loyal, people are not aware of the things, so reduce employee well-being, lower job satisfaction is there, withdrawal of the behavior, less willingness to work hard, to share the ideas, to be a good workplace citizen. So all those things, they are going to affect the organization. So clear with the psychological contract.